I'm Joe. Thanks for checking out this video. So we know that breadcrumbs and panko makes a nice crust in an air fryer. Whatever you coat with it usually handles pretty well. Today we're going to find out if you can use a batter, a wet batter in an air fryer, if it'll hold up. So stick around. I'm going to be using this Louisiana Fish Fry Products Seasoned Crispy Chicken Batter Mix. And it's basically going to mix 5 tablespoons with a half a cup of ice cold water. So we're going to keep it real simple here today. Okay, I want to see if this batter holds up in the air fryer. They tell you it usually doesn't. So I'm going to use probably about half this bag. Maybe a little more, who knows. Not really measuring, we're eyeballing it. Okay, and I'm going to add water to it. Okay, I've got about a cup's worth here. I'm not going to add too much, because I want to make sure that it's the right consistency. Don't want it too loose, and I don't want it too thick either. Okay, so we're going to stir that up. See, that's a little thick, so we're going to add some more water. And this is the spicy batter. It's a Louisiana style spicy batter. So let's see. Now, probably not going to make it too smooth, because I kind of like the lumps in there, because the lumps will give it some crunch, give it some body. Okay. I think that's about right. You know, like a pancake batter. All right. So let's put that aside. Put that aside. Let that just hang out while we flour our chicken. Now this is just all-purpose flour, and I just added a little bit of seasoning to it. You don't have to. Okay, so let's just flour the chicken. Now these chicken wings have already been washed and dried. I'll pat it down. Okay. Just going to give them a quick toss. And the flour will help the batter adhere a little bit better, or give it something to stick to, so it just doesn't roll off. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take it from the flour to the batter, right to the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer. It's already been preheated for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees, so it's ready to go. So it's still very hot in there. So let's take the wings, shake off any excess. Oh. Okay, and go right into the batter, get them nice and coated. Okay, I want to shake off any excess. All right, and get that right into the air fryer. Get the next one here. Okay, same thing. Okay, shake off the excess. And get that one in. So now I'm just going to finish up the rest. And you don't want to overcrowd these, so I've got about 5 of them in there right now. Got a couple more in here, so I'm probably going to do them in a couple batches. So we're going to get this started. And we're going to go air fry, air crisp at about 360. Probably going to take somewhere around 15 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes. We're going to let them go, and I'll check it with the internal temperature checker, the thermometer. Check it with the thermometer, and at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, I'll pull them out, show you what they look like. All right, so now the second batch just finished. Just to let you know, what I did is I took the first batch and we just put them in, as you saw. The second batch, while the first batch was cooking, I put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes for the duration of the cook time, just to have the batter set to see if there was going to be a difference between the warm batter and the frozen one. So I want to show you the difference here. Now these here are the regular batter. You can see, not bad. It's actually pretty crisp. Once they were all cooked, I did put them back into the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 7 minutes or so, just to get them nice and crispy, because I like a nice crust on it. But these are the first batch, which is not bad, and you can hear nice crust, nice and crispy. So that's not bad. This is the second one, so you can see the difference. Very, a lot smoother. The color is a little more even. But overall, basically the same. I just think they stuck less to the bottom on the cold frozen ones. They stuck less to the bottom, so they were a lot easier to pull off. So you can take a look at these here. Again, I mean, look at that. That's beautiful. Now that's just batter. I mean, I didn't think the batter was going to work that well. Beautiful, beautiful. Worked out really well. So now that the battered wings came out, now let's give them a taste. Now I did make sure that I hit 165. Again, I toasted them up a little bit more just to give it a nice crust. So I'm pretty sure it's well cooked. These are still hot. So let's give it a taste here. See what the flavor's like. It's a nice crunch. Not bad. Good flavor too. The batter is actually not bad. It's got a little spice to it. This Louisiana, this is a spicy batter. So this is again, the batter is the Louisiana fish fry products, seasoned crispy chicken batter mix that I just made it with the cold water according to the instructions here. And it seemed to work out really well. So if you guys give this a try, let me know how you did. Let me know how it worked in your air fryer, or if you have a different process that you use. So again, thanks for watching. Give me some thumbs up, some comments, some likes, and go ahead and share it if you did enjoy it. We do appreciate all the support we get from you guys. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.